Turner Real Estate Network. Are you looking for a home in Manatee County, Florida that has its own private pool, a large lanai space to entertain your family and friends, and an oversized lot, but without the Lakewood Ranch price tag? Well, this home might be perfect for you. I'm gonna give you a tour of my newest listing in Rivers Reach. It's a community in Parrish, Florida. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an oversized den, a beautiful white kitchen, and an open layout. This whole home backs to a private preserve, and it's on a cul-de-sac lot that's over a 1/4 acre. I can't wait to take you on this tour, so let's go ahead and take a look. Tucked away on a cul-de-sac lot, you'll find this perfect family home filled with character and warmth. The entryway is open and inviting. Off of the garage entrance, there is a storage closet and space for a mudroom. At the front of the home is the oversized den with double doors, perfect as a media room, office, or a potential 4th bedroom. Around the corner from the den is a large storage closet, half bathroom, and a huge laundry room. If you want an open layout, look no further. In this home, the kitchen, living room, and dining room are all connected. This dreamy white kitchen has an abundance of cabinets, stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, subway tile backsplash, and a huge walk-in pantry. The dining room is directly off the kitchen and is surrounded by windows and beautiful wainscoting. You'll never miss out with this exceptional layout. The 2 guest rooms are tucked away off the foyer and share a guest bathroom with a tiled shower tub combo. The master bedroom is spacious and bright. It features his and her walk-in closets and private access to the pool and spa. The master bathroom has a tiled walk-in shower, double sinks, and a separate water closet. Unwind and relax in your heated pool and spa, which is surrounded by mature landscaping and lush preserve for complete privacy. Entertain family and friends on your covered lanai equipped with electric and cable. This extended patio is the perfect place for parties or as your own personal retreat. Located in Rivers Reach, this gated community has a secluded southern feel and has amenities for the whole family. A community pool, fitness center, volleyball court, playground, kayak launch, and walking trails all along the Manatee River. Thank you all so much for taking a tour of my newest listing here in Rivers Reach. Some of my favorite things about this home are the beautiful heated pool and spa with the large lanai and the gorgeous white kitchen. Do me a favor and leave me in the comment section below your favorite things about this house. If you'd like to see this home in person or have any other questions, please feel free to give me a call or Facebook message me. Until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful day.